Okay, a holistic travel guy here again, packing for Spain. Going to a different part of Spain this trip. Going to walk the El Camino de Santiago, an ancient pilgrimage trail in northern Spain. And I've just started gathering my gear. I'm going to make a series of videos. This is part one of probably 4 parts of gathering the gear for the El Camino. I just started purchasing things, and the way I found out what to purchase is from, of course, experience from hiking in the past, but also watching a lot of YouTube videos about what other people bring and what they feel that is important, what they feel is works for them, what doesn't work. So the first thing I want to cover is this backpack. And this seems to be about the average size backpack that most people bring. This is a 40-liter backpack. Some people go smaller, 35 liters. Some people go larger, up to 60 liters or more. I filled this with towels. That's why it looks full, just to test out how much it holds. It holds a lot. And I was kind of impressed at how much this holds. I tried it on. The straps are comfortable. The chest strap here is comfortable. The waist strap is, I guess the waist strap could be a little bit bigger. I'm going to find out when I'm on the trail how much that is helpful. But the backpack itself seems pretty sturdy, and I just got that yesterday online. I left all the tags on everything so I could show some tags. So the second thing I want to cover is some of the clothing I'm going to be wearing. Starting with these pants. These are a microfiber pant. I got them again online. And everything needs to be thin and fast drying on the El Camino. You wash out your clothes a lot. And you hang them up to dry at night, and hopefully they're dry the next morning. Because, you know, your clothes get dirty pretty quickly while you're hiking all day. These are cargo style pants with a lot of pockets, and they also have this nifty feature. The bottom leg zips off right here, so the top turns into a pair of shorts. When it gets warm, you just take this whole bottom section off and you stuff it in your backpack. The next clothing item I got are smart wool socks, which are right here. I've got a pile of wool socks here. I'm not going to take all 3 pairs of these. I'm going to take probably 2 pairs of socks, maybe those and another one. And again, the thing is with these, they're quick drying. You wash them out, you hang them up at night, and they dry. They're also breathable. When you're sweating in your feet all day and you're hiking all day in your boots, you want your socks to breathe, so they don't hold the moisture against your skin. From what I've seen on the YouTube videos, you don't want to bring any cotton basically on the El Camino because it's very difficult to dry cotton. It takes a long time for it to dry. Another clothing item I just got recently are these Columbia trail shoes. Now I decided not to go with the ankle height shoe. These are just below the ankle, and I've already started wearing them a few days ago, started breaking them in. I'm wearing them to work every day, and hopefully those are going to be comfortable and adequate for the trail. They're also waterproof, and I think that's going to be a big factor because I'm going to be hiking in the month of April, which is, according to Wikipedia, April in northern Spain is the rainiest month of the year. Alright, so next piece of clothing is this cool, nifty new balaclava. Let's see if I can get that tag to show you the name of this thing. There it is. It's a balaclava. And this is a hat for those cold mornings and those cold nights. Hiking, you put it over your entire head and it covers your neck, the back of your neck, the front of your throat, and it keeps you nice and warm and snug. Next is this fanny pack, which I take this everywhere traveling. I put this on the front of my waist, not on the back. It's not actually goes on the fanny. It goes on the front of your waist. And that holds all my valuables up front of me so I can keep an eye on them. And that will hold my passport, my credit card, my money, my little mini flashlight, my extra pair of glasses. Things like that I need really quick and handy to use. The next thing, speaking of glasses, is these polarized sunglasses. Now these are UV protection up to UV A, B, and C, and these fit over my prescription glasses. So that's a nice feature, so that you can protect your eyes from the very bright sunlight when the sun does come out in northern Spain. It's very intense and bright. These are knee protectors and knee compression braces. So this is a spandex type material, and it stretches, and it's a compression support for your knees. They also come with this really cool, nifty kind of a grid pattern of padding on the front. So if you did fall on the trail, these are going to protect your knees a little bit. I was a carpenter for 30 years, so my knees are not as good as shape as they were 20, 30 years ago. All right, next is the microfiber towel. Again, microfiber is a big popular item I've seen on a lot of YouTube videos. This is a 2-pack. It came with a small hand towel and this larger bath towel. And I'm probably going to use the larger bath towel, even though it's going to take up a little more space. It does fold up and supposedly goes into this little bag pretty nifty, pretty easily. And it's important to wash these towels before you take them with you, because they do bleed. The colors will bleed out in any of your other washing. Here's a bunch of the tags that I've saved from the products I've been buying, including the towels, the shoes. Over here I've got a filter water bottle, and the filter is inside. There's a little bit of pamphlet brochure on it, and this is a bottle that take when I'm not sure about the quality of the water. I'm going to be filling my water bottle multiple times a day, and if I have any concerns about the quality of water, I'll run it through this filter. I will take another water bottle when the quality of water seems okay. I'll take that and just fill up normally. But this is going to be nice to have. It fits right in this side pouch in the backpack really easy, and there's another side pouch for water bottle on the other side. So I'll actually have 2 water bottles. Let's see what else I got here. These hiking poles, I'm going to have to ship these over to the hotel where I arrive in Barcelona, because you can't bring any metal on a plane anymore. So I'll ship those over with my pocket knife to my hotel. I got a good deal on these. These were, I bought these from a friend at work for $5, and they open and telescope to, a much longer length, so that you can have a little bit of stability and support while you're walking on uneven gravel terrain. My other hat is going to be similar to this one. I'm not going to actually bring this one, but it's going to be similar in respect to the neck covering in the back. Again, the sun is very intense when it comes out in Spain, and this will be a protection for the back of my neck. And the other hat I'm going to buy online is also going to have a big wide brim all the way around. Let's see what else I got here. That's about it on the couch. Over here, I've just started collecting my electronics, so that's going to be much deeper coverage in a different video. And I've also just started collecting my toiletries and first aid kit down here. Just one thing I wanted to mention briefly. After I collect all these electronics and first aid and toiletries, I'm going to go over in a much better video. But one thing I do know I'm going to bring is a little package of ibuprofen. A lot of people on YouTube videos on the El Camino talk about knee and joint pain after hiking 15-20 miles per day. So that's it for this video. Let's wrap it up, and we'll be doing 3 or 4 more videos as I collect more gear for the El Camino de Santiago. That's it. Peace out.